When it comes to understanding body language and social cues, it can be a bit tricky to determine if someone is interested in you. Girls, in particular, may use subtle or indirect signs to indicate their interest, which can be easy to miss if you're not paying attention. Here are 10 signs that a girl might secretly be checking you out. 1. Frequent glances. If you catch a girl looking at you multiple times, especially when she thinks you're not noticing, it's a clear sign that she's interested. People tend to gaze at things they find attractive or intriguing, and if she keeps glancing your way, she might be trying to gauge your interest or simply admire you from afar. Try making eye contact and see how she responds. If she looks away quickly, but then glances back, she's likely interested. 2. Adjusting her appearance. Girls often adjust their clothes, hair, or accessories when they are near someone they're attracted to. This could include fixing their hair, straightening their outfit, or even applying lip gloss. This behavior is often subconscious and can be a sign that she wants to look her best when you're around. If you notice her doing this when you enter a room or pass by, she may be trying to catch your attention. 3. Facing her body toward you. When someone is interested, they tend to position their body toward the person they're focused on. If she's pointing her feet, shoulders, or even her entire body in your direction, it's a subtle signal that you have her attention. Body language can reveal a lot. Observe how she positions herself around you and compare it to how she interacts with others. 4. Lingering eye contact. Making eye contact is one of the most telling signs of attraction. If a girl holds eye contact a bit longer than usual or gives you a lingering look before looking away, she might be checking you out. Extended eye contact can be a sign of confidence, interest, and curiosity. If she maintains eye contact and smiles, it's an even stronger indicator that she's into you. 5. Playing with her hair. Twisting, twirling, or running fingers through hair can be a flirtatious gesture. When girls play with their hair while looking at you, they might be trying to get your attention or appear more attractive. It's a subtle but often effective way of expressing interest without being too direct. Pay attention to when she does this. If it's only when you're around, she might be showing off or flirting. 6. Mirroring your actions. Mirroring is a subconscious behavior where a person imitates the actions or posture of someone they are interested in. If you notice her copying your gestures, expressions, or even the way you're standing, it could mean she's trying to build rapport with you. Try leaning in or crossing your arms and see if she does the same. Mirroring is a way of building connection, and she might be doing it without even realizing it. 7. Subtle smiles. A smile is a universal sign of warmth, friendliness, and attraction. If a girl gives you a quick, shy smile when you catch her looking, it's a pretty good sign she's interested. A slight, coy smile can suggest she's trying to make a connection but doesn't want to come on too strong. Respond with a friendly smile of your own. If she continues smiling or seems to brighten up, you're probably on her radar. 8. Accidental touching or bumping. Physical touch can be a bold but effective way to gauge someone's interest. If a girl finds subtle ways to touch you, like brushing against your arm or bumping into you, it could be intentional. These light touches might be her way of testing the waters without making a direct move. Be mindful of how she reacts afterward. If she seems comfortable and even a little playful, it's likely not an accident. 9. Fidgeting or acting nervous. Nervous energy can be a big indicator of attraction. If a girl seems to get a bit fidgety, stumbles over her words, or blushes around you, it might mean she's nervous because she's interested. Some people get a little clumsy or anxious when they're around someone they like, and this can come off as endearing. Look for signs like playing with her jewelry, tapping her foot, or fidgeting with her phone. These behaviors can mean she's a bit nervous, but interested. 10. She finds reasons to be near you. Whether it's sitting next to you at a gathering, accidentally bumping into you, or making sure she's in the same vicinity as you, girls will often create opportunities to be around someone they like. If she seems to always be nearby or finds excuses to pass by, she might be checking you out and hoping for a conversation. If you notice her doing this often, start a light conversation to see how she responds. She might be looking for an opening to get to know you better. Recognizing when a girl is checking you out can be a mix of reading body language, picking up on subtle cues, and observing how she behaves around you. Keep in mind that these signs might not always be intentional or accurate for every situation. so it's important to respect personal boundaries and not jump to conclusions. However, if you're noticing several of these signals, chances are she's interested, and you might want to strike up a conversation to see where things could go. Paying attention to these subtle signals can help you gauge someone's interest without having to second guess or misinterpret intentions. Trust your instincts and don't be afraid to make a friendly move if you sense mutual interest.